Let us see how you can connect your Shopify store with the Ecom section. Once you have accessed the Ecom section, go to Storefront. Now click on Shopify Store and click on Connect Store. You need to enter your Shopify store domain and your access token. For this, we'll go to the Shopify dashboard, click on Apps, and click on Apps and Sales Channel Settings. Here, we'll click on Develop Apps. So we are basically creating a new app. Now click on Create an App, and then you can name the app. So it can be possibly automations. Now click on Create App. Now you need to click on the option of Configure Admin API Scopes, and you need to allow some permissions to the app. Let me open the list. This list of permissions is also mentioned in the video description. So write draft orders and read draft orders is the first permission. Next, we need the permission for the customers. It is write customers, read customers. Next, we need the permission for orders. So write order edits and read order edits, and write orders and read orders. Next, we need the permission for products. So write product feeds and read, write product listings and read product listings, write products and read products. And the last permission we need is for inventory. That is write inventory and read inventory. The entire list of permissions is mentioned in the video description as well. Now after this, click on Save. Now click on Configuration option here. Click on API Credentials and click on Install App. Once you have installed your own app, you'll get the option to see your access token only once. So click on Reveal Token once and copy the token and paste it here in the Access Token tab. Now for your Shopify store domain, it has to be your myshopify.com domain. Even if you have mapped your domain, still that won't work. For example, this particular store has lakshmipati.com domain mapped to it, but their myshopify domain is different. So you need to enter your myshopify domain. And I have entered the same. Now click on Next. Our system will validate your access token. You can name the store and then click on Create. So this is how you can connect your Shopify store with the Ecom section.